Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up, seriously, the cutest box ever. Or Be Kind by Ellen boxes have been so cute, but this might be my all-time favorite. How cute is this? It makes me want to just eat a kiwi so badly. Looks so yummy, all that fruit and the colors, so fit for summer. So this is Ellen's box, Ellen DeGeneres, Be Kind by Ellen box, like I said. This is a seasonal subscription. Sorry, I'm stumbling over my words. I got a little excited there. And I really love this box. So I was just double checking the price. It is $49.49 per season. But right now, through July 14th, they are having a buy one, get one sale. So if you're interested in this box, we'll see what's inside shortly, and you want to get one for you and someone else, or maybe both for loved ones, whatever you want to do, I think that's so great. I love everything that comes in here. It's always like very eco-friendly, sustainable, cruelty-free. They're items that are like great for your home and just really go with the season. So we're gonna have to see if this one lives up to the past boxes, but I've been really loving this box. I will link it down below, but let's get started and get this cute box open. Emmy heard me talking. Did you just get up from your nap? Let's open a box, babe. Come here. She's so cute. I open it up. This is what it looks like. So it always comes with a magazine that talks about all the items inside. And here's a sneak peek. Even the inside of the box is cute. It looks like a little picnic. Makes me happy. So, yeah, I'm just going to leave that there. Let's see if there's anything on top. It looks like we have some like advertising things. Oh, I bet this is a clue to something inside. I like this brand, 100% pure. I've had their stuff in the past. That's something else. And yeah, let's just grab the first item on top, which looks so cute, and I actually could use another one. We have a heart-shaped cutting board. I think it's a cutting board, or you can use it as a serving tray. How cute. I love hearts and flowers. I'm such a good girly girl at heart. But I always like doodle hearts. I just think this is so cute. It makes me happy. Yay, let's look in here and see where this is from. The pricing, I believe you always get at least 100 and something dollars. Do they say over $200 in value or around then? Around there, we will see. Let me see if I can find this. I will be able to. Be patient with me, please. Here, I'll just put that down. Happy Friday, by the way. If you guys are watching in real time. Any fun plans? Oh, it was like the first page, you guys. My bad. So, oh, and it comes with something else. It's a cheese knife set. Oh, wait. A heart cheese board. I was saying that. I'm like, this could be a cutting board. But then when I was saying that, I'm like, it looks like it could be something for serving. Oh, my God. A heart cheese board, value of $40. So it also comes with a cheese knife set. Oh, my God. Nice. And the cheese knife set. I don't know why that's a difficult thing to say. It's $15. So together $55 more than you pay for the box. And here's a little example. Oh my God, are those like some pistachios? Honey, we got that in the last box, remember? Oh, yum. And then here are the cheese knives. So these are by Ellen's shop. So she has a shop with items. We get mostly items from other brands. Is this the first time we've gotten her own brand? I'm happy with it. I love how it looks, and I love a charcuterie board, specifically a cheese board, because I don't eat meat. How cute are these? Here's the first knife, and then we have this one here. I don't have any that look like that. And then we have this guy here, so we have 3 knives. Look, you can kind of see my phone. There's you, kind of. So, first item or set, I am totally into. Makes me want to get some nice cheeses and some wine and call someone over, even though I'm having a dry month. Did I tell you guys that? I'm not drinking until I go on my next vacation or like a little trip in July 18th. So I'm really like doing a dry 25 days, but I'm feeling good. But anyways, let's move on. Looks like we have another home item by Full Circle. This is, oh yay, a reusable plant towel. It's tree-free, 100% rayon from bamboo. 1 sheet equals 1 roll of traditional paper towels. 1 roll equals 30 rolls of traditional paper towels. It absorbs 7 times its weight I have had something like this in the past, and I love these. I'm so happy to have it. I feel guilty when I have paper towels sometimes. I try and be as eco-friendly as I can. I know, like, I'm not one of those people that gets down on anyone. I know we're all doing the best we can, right? Like, so I'm mindful of these things, and now I'm very grateful I have this because, yeah, I totally could use something like this, and it makes me feel better, and these work really well, and they look like they're super cute. I'm opening this now to show you. So how cute are these? It just makes me happy when things are cute. Like sometimes I don't really love how paper towels look in my kitchen, but these I will probably just leave out. So cute. And this 30 rolls, this will last a long time. So they're like reusable. And here's the page right here on it. So, oh, it looks like we have 2 things from this brand, Full Circle Home. Tough sheet reusable plant towels. These are $9.99. Oh, that's not bad for when I need to repurchase more. Even though these should last a long time. And then we also got Zip Tuck lunch bag set from this brand as well, which is $7.99. I'll grab those now. Oh, right here. I have some things like this. I can't remember what I keep in them, but these are awesome. Another super eco-friendly, sustainable thing. So there's 1 snack bag and 1 sandwich bag. So 7 by 4.6 inches, and the other one's 8 by 8. Each bag replaces up to 500 single-use plastic zipper bags. That's awesome. And again, they are so cute. I love it. Super excited about this. I will totally use these. I'll totally use everything so far. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's move on to the next item. Tea. I drink tea every day. I love tea. This is, oh, I love their teas too. Vadam India. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And this is an association or collaboration, I should say, with Be Kind. So they made this set together. Tropical Paradise. Summer assortment of 5 flavorful tea blends. Looks like we get 2 of each because there's 10 in here. So the kinds we have are organic lemon ginger green tea. Yum! Organic sweet Himalayan green tea. Oh my God, these all sound yummy. I'm going to say that after everyone. Organic turmeric ginger herbal tea. Organic chamomile mint citrus green tea. And oh my God, the yummiest, organic vanilla spice chai tea. They're all yummy though. I'm so excited. Emmy, we got more tea. I have Sips by over there, but other than that, I'm like done with my like packets of tea, my sachets of tea. I have a few loose leaves left, but I'm always happy to get more tea. I love it. It's like my afternoon little drink. And I like herbal teas too. I don't think all of these have, yeah, like I could have the turmeric ginger herbal tea because I try not to have caffeine after like 2 and it's 3 right now. Let's see what the price is of this for anyone wondering. Emmy, I wish you would come over here and say hi. If I pick her up, she'll be annoyed at me. She's sniffing the items. Okay, where are you? Here it is. So this is, whoa, $35. Their teas are really good. I've tried them in Sip by, so I'm super excited about this. Awesome. And by the way, there are like exclusive offers throughout here for the brands featured, which is really nice. I had a feeling. We have actually 2 items from that brand I said earlier, 100% pure. I had this a long time ago. I remember liking this. This is their coffee bean caffeine eye cream. I got this in some beauty box years ago. I don't remember what one. It brightens and depuffs, and it's natural, and it's vegan, and freaking cute packaging. So gluten-free and non-toxic as well. And it says it's anti-inflammatory, caffeine-rich green tea and coffee depuff while increasing circulation to brighten dark circles. Concentrate with potent anti-aging vitamins and antioxidants to awaken the eye area. Nourishing rosehip oil for softer, more youthful skin. This is so fun. Look, this will last so long. It's so cute. I want to like keep it in there, but nice. I'm excited about this. Anything that has like depuffing effects, like I sleep well, like, you know, and I do I've been getting better at being consistent with it. I was going to say feng shui, the gua sha. Not feng shui. I like feng shui too, but that does nothing to do with skincare that I'm aware of. But I'm trying, I just have, it's like genetic, I think, and allergies maybe. But I love getting eye creams that target that, because a lot target more like dark circles I found. But yeah, super excited about this. Yay. Let me get the page open for this. And then the next product, it looks like a lip product. Yes. Oh, they have 2 different pages for these. This is $29. The value is like insane in this box. Okay, but now, oh wait, this isn't the same brand. I was thinking it was two of the same brand. Excuse me, scratch that. This is a different brand. Mineral Fusion Hydro Shine Lip Gloss in Bermuda. Locks in moisture. This looks like it's going to be a really pretty color. So there's two variations for this. You could have gotten, looks like a darker like color. I'll show you in a second. Wait. We got both. Yay, I'm so happy right now. $29.98. Get the Hydro Shine Lip Gloss bundle. So here is the first shade, Bermuda. I'll swatch them next to each other in a moment. I'm so excited. So these are vegan, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, gluten-free, no harsh ingredients, no artificial fragrances, no parabens. And this shade is called Japor. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Very pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am in need of new makeup, which I never thought I'd say. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them and I'll show you side by side. Ooh, and these are like pigmented glosses too. Oh, I have a feeling I'm gonna really like these. Do they have any scent? I'm guessing no. Slightly. Because they don't have any like toxic ingredients or whatever. Not all fragrance is toxic. Oh my gosh, look how pretty these are. I am so excited. Let's put a little bit of this on. It matches my lip liner on. I haven't been wearing that much makeup lately. You're probably like, yeah, I can see your face. It's comfortable. Oh my, I'm so excited. Look how pretty these are. Yay! You guys, that is so amazing. And then there's one more thing in here. We got a postcard with a beautiful art print. Wow. And it goes with the cover. Wait, there's multiple. How beautiful are these? Here's the first one. And it says, you're a postcard worthy friend on that one. And then for the second one here, look, it's a text message, but in real life. And then the third, guess what? I miss you, is what it says. I'm totally going to send these to people. They're beautiful, and they can double as art prints. So I wonder if this counts as one of the items. Let's see if we can find it in here. And in this little magazine, there's more information as well. Oh, one of those. Okay, we'll get to it in a second. Sorry. Sorry, I'm a little like, I once I said allergy, now I'm like a little sniffly. So this is by Sabina Fenn, a postcard set, and it has a $15 value. These are beautiful. I love these. These are seriously like art prints, and you can send them to your loved ones or keep them for yourself and hang them up if you want to. It says, this summer we urge you to take a moment and connect with those you hold dear. I love that. And who doesn't like love a little surprise snail mail? Because usually it's only like bills or like random things we get in the mail that besides packages. You know, I love getting my packages, but like things like this. It's so cute. Seriously beautiful art too. Awesome. But I just realized there's something in here. I think it goes with this piece of paper. It's kind of dismissed in the beginning. I think we get like a free online book or something. So this is Booksio, an ebook or audiobook. Slightly South of Simple by Christy Woodson Harvey. Oh my god, we get a specific book. This book value is $35. Oh my god, is there anything better than a great summer read? Queue up your want-to read list. We have a perfect summer story for you to enjoy on the go. It looks like this is a fiction book, and I was saying to myself, I want to read more fiction, especially at night. I read a lot of nonfiction every day, but I want to like, it's not something I really want to read before bedtime or at night, so I'm super excited. This is part of Pop Sugar's Ultimate Summer Reading List and Bustle's Books to Read and Discuss. Woodson Harvey tells the tale of Caroline Murphy, who is headed back to the small southern town of Peachtree Bluff after quite a bit of time in New York. Did someone say Southern Charm? Oh wait, that's awesome. I bet this is going to be so good. A little pleasure read. This is the cover. I'm so glad I noticed that. I just like tossed this to the side. You just like, you claim it with that code there, and you can get an audiobook or the ebook. That's so awesome and so perfect for a summer box. Oh my god. So you can have like a little picnic, like with your cute new makeup and read a book. Oh my god. And have tea. Like while you're reading. I love this box, you guys. And then, like, yeah, I'll show you like the end. Let's see what's in this magazine. Anything else to share? Oh, the artist. They talk about Sabina Fenn. Yeah, that's her last name. Her art's cute. I like it. It's very like happy and summery. And then there's like some stuff about Ellen's shop here, but I think literally everything from the box to the items to like how I feel opening it was wonderful. And I love that they're having a sale. Buy one, get one of the summer boxes. So you guys, if you liked this and you think someone else would like it, definitely take advantage of that. I think it's automatically applied at checkout when you subscribe. So I'll just leave their link down below. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Let me know what your favorite item is. I love this box so much. I know some people had like issues with Ellen or have them, but like there's so many other people a part of this, and she does a lot of good things too. I know. But like drama, personal feelings aside, looking right at the box, I think it's really good. It's very eco-friendly, sustainable. I love the items, and it helps all these small businesses as well. So I personally really enjoy it. I can't wait to hear your thoughts down below, link below. But that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, do something special for yourself today. Enjoy yourself. If it's the weekend, no matter what day it is, enjoy yourself. Have fun. I love you. Bye.